Lednio Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how crypto lending and savings have evolved in 2025. Lednio offers high-yield accounts and Bitcoin-backed loans, but is it the right platform for you? The surprising truth is interest potential. Most people get this wrong by thinking crypto accounts are just risky wallets. Lednio allows you to earn interest on Bitcoin, USDC or dollar deposits, sometimes up to 8% annually, far higher than traditional banks. This makes it appealing for crypto investors looking to grow holdings passively. One major advantage is Bitcoin-backed loans. You won't believe what happens next when you see you can borrow against your crypto without selling it, which can help with liquidity while maintaining market exposure. The platform is straightforward, and you control the loan-to-value ratio to manage risks. Lednio also prioritizes security. Accounts are insured up to certain limits, and the platform uses cold storage for crypto assets, offering peace of mind compared to some exchanges. User experience is smooth, with a clean dashboard for managing deposits, loans and interest. However, there are cons. Crypto volatility means collateral values can fluctuate, potentially triggering margin calls on loans. Interest rates vary depending on crypto type and market conditions. Regulatory changes could also affect operations, and newcomers may find crypto terminology confusing. In conclusion, Lednio in 2025 is ideal for crypto-savvy users looking to earn interest or access liquidity without selling assets. While volatility and regulatory considerations are real risks, the combination of high-yield accounts, Bitcoin-backed loans, and secure storage makes Lednio a compelling choice for informed investors willing to navigate the crypto space responsibly.